This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. Contract the discount once signed up with an account. Link in description below.
Morning, guys. It is December 18th, 2019. This one I got a call from a customer of mine. He's got a crusty old boiler over there. It says he's got like a two tenement house. That was his mother's boiler. She had recently passed, and he says he got to keep hitting the reset button every day. Keeps going out on reset. I know he's got a real old tank over there. The thing's crusty as hell. And could be an oil flow problem. Could be a lot of things going on with that old beast. But anyway, we've just been trying to keep it along, because, you know, the old lady had passed away, and there's no money there. Well, we'll have to see. I mean, he really should have replaced the oil tanks years ago. I'm going to take a look at them. I'm going to need to write him something down on paper about the oil tanks. I remember the oil lines coming into the building got rotted, and the tank had water in it. But that might be what the issue is. I think I replaced the oil fill valve or oil vent going into the tank. Or replaced the pipe going through the wall that was rusted out. I did that a couple of years back. But this guy is one of these guys that he just don't have the money, or he's tighter than two coats of paint. One of the two, I don't know. But we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. You come on for a cold today, Miss Molly. You got a style in there, little girl. Well, the oil line's protected, but I don't know what kind of condition the tank's in. She's an older tank. See, rot through, but it should be replaced. Oh well.
You need me to wait here, or?
Nope.
Okay, when you need me, just yell.
When I'm done, I'll let you know.
Okay, thanks.
Could be that transformer right there. Probably this transformer. We're gonna see what we got for oil flow. Then we'll check the spark. I'm gonna hit the button. Hit the button. Then I'll jump out FF. This is ready to be checked. There's water in that oil. See how it's milky? Water in there. That don't look right. Oil looks a little weird. I want to see what this looks like, this nozzle. Just recently had changed this not too long ago. Looks fine. Hello, can I help you?
Yeah, Steve, this is Tim Souza calling about having you do some work for me.
What do you need done, sir?
We talked, this is, I think it's before Christmas. I'm over on Russell Mills Road. I wanted to like, get some shut-offs, put it on like pipes in a couple of pipes in the basement, like the hot and cold water.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I should be able to get over there. I forgot all about you, actually, to be honest with you.
No, I'm glad I called you back.
Yeah, I remember I was talking, but I didn't write your number down, or I lost it, or something like that. Something happened there.
All right, that's okay.
Let me give you a call back as soon as I'm done with this job, because I got your number on my information here.
Okay. All right, I'm going to just, yeah, all right, can I get, you call me on the same number?
Yeah, I'm going to call you back when I get back in my truck.
All right. I'm going to take a shower, but I'll wait till you call.
Well, whatever. Go take a shower. I'll call you after.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good, Steve.
Bye.
Bye.
It could be that that transformer acting up, working at times and then not working. We're getting a decent. We're gonna check the oil flow through the pump. I mean, it could be anything with this old beast. We're resetting the electrodes down a little bit more. Give a little bit more spark to it. I don't think it's a nozzle because I just changed it recently. Let's see what we're getting through for oil flow through the pump. We'll check that too. He says when he starts it, it starts up instantly. It might be the... Could be a lot of things. Sometimes it's not always easy. The oil looks a little cloudy to me. The oil looks a little chooched. It might have water on it. I don't know. Maybe. I definitely like to change this transformer. I think that's probably where this problem is. Did spill a little oil on the floor here, but I ain't too worried about it over here. Ain't no Taj Mahal here, mama. I'm gonna check the oil flow out of the pump, see what we're getting there. See what we're getting for oil flow out of the pump. reset the electrodes. That might have been what the issue was. Maybe that transformer. Betcha. That's probably junk. We're going to change that. Alright guys, I'm going to change this transformer. I think this might be what the problem is, even though it's not acting up now. They're known to work and not work when they act up. So I don't like these transformers, so I'm going to change it. That's what you call an educated guess. What I'm taking here. An educated guess. Let me get the power off. These controls, these transformers are junk as they get older. Sometimes they'll spark, sometimes they won't. Exact complaint that he's giving me, so we're changing it. My customer, if I don't fix this thing, he's going to be calling me back, so we'll do everything in our power to get it working right. The problem is that control's designed to drop out, that transformer, and with this protector relay it runs all the time, so it probably heats up. Now, and this has got two black wires. One's a common and one's a neutral. Blue one goes to the orange. Orange feeds the motor, black, and the transformer. So the orange feeds the motor and the transformer. That's the power. Constant. When it's running, it's got constant power. The other one's the neutral because it's the other one's a neutral because it's 110, right? So it's not white, they're both black wires, so we'll just put that with the neutral. And that should do it. With those transformers in the past, so nice having problems like that with this, what he's talking about. It's got one of them old transformers on there. That's one of my first things I go to is change that, because it might act up when you're not here, when it's cold or when it's warm. Alright, let's try that out. See how it fires. See how it started up good that time? It didn't puff or nothing. Before, when I was doing it, was puffing. I'll get a little bit. delay. Once it's warm in there, you really don't even need to spark your fire all the time. It's when it's cold it's going to be a problem. Alright guys, like I said, she's crusty. Look. I was here a couple of months ago. I put a new nozzle, had a good oil flow at that time. So today I replaced the transformer, reset electrodes, good oil flow. It's just old stuff. We'll let that go and we'll see. Give it a couple of days, see if he calls me back. That could be the motor, could be the pump that's not acting up. It's hard to tell. Look at this old beast. Yeah, that's a newer oil tank over there, I think. That oil tank's been changed. An old stack switch on this one. Yeah, that's a newer oil tank on the second floor. That's a newer tank. That one on the first floor though, I'm gonna leave him a note that he needs to replace it. That's what you call covering your ass. This one's fine, second floor. The boiler, protected oil line. Look at the burner that was in there. These are the two burners that were in the boiler. They're still saving this shit. Crazy.